Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. What follows are my personal experiences using Truist's retirement planning resources. Truist, found at www.truist.com/investing-retirement/planning, offers a suite of tools and resources aimed at helping individuals prepare for retirement. Their website acts as a central hub, providing information on various retirement-related topics. Users can explore different investment strategies, learn about retirement accounts like IRAs and 401(k)s, and even access educational materials to bolster their understanding of financial planning for retirement. The site seems to cater to a wide range of individuals, from those just beginning to think about retirement to those nearing retirement age. Truist emphasizes the importance of early planning and provides resources designed to help people at every stage of their journey. They appear to offer guidance on topics such as determining retirement income needs, managing expenses during retirement, and choosing appropriate investment options based on risk tolerance and time horizon. While I haven't personally utilized their advisory services, the website indicates that Truist offers professional guidance to help individuals create personalized retirement plans. This could be particularly helpful for those who prefer a more hands-on approach and seek expert advice. The platform also seems to provide tools and calculators to assist with projecting retirement savings and estimating future income. It's important to note that exploring the Truist website and its resources is just one step in the retirement planning process. Individual circumstances vary, and it's always recommended to conduct thorough research and consider consulting with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. I encourage you to delve deeper into the specifics of the services and tools offered by Truist to determine if they align with your particular financial goals and retirement planning needs. Remember, securing your financial future requires proactive planning and careful consideration. Hopefully, this quick look at Truist's retirement planning resources has given you a useful starting point.